Indoor coil freezing is a common problem with American standard AC systems. It happens when the evaporator coil inside your air handler drops below freezing temperature. The evaporator coil is made up of aluminum fins and copper tubes that absorb heat from indoor air. When temperatures drop too low, moisture in the air freezes on these surfaces. In the AC system, refrigerant circulates through coils. The indoor evaporator coil absorbs heat from warm indoor air, cooling it while the refrigerant evaporates. The evaporator coil works with an expansion valve to control refrigerant flow. Freezing disrupts this process, leading to reduced efficiency and possible system damage. Several factors can cause your American standard AC to freeze. Low refrigerant levels, often due to leaks, cause the coil to overcool. Airflow restrictions from dirty filters, clogged coils, or blocked vents prevent warm air from defrosting the coil. Thermostat or control problems can also keep the blower running incorrectly. High humidity combined with high cooling loads can overload the system, especially in areas near kitchens or bathrooms. The first step in troubleshooting coil freezing is to turn off your AC system completely. This allows the ice on the indoor coil to thaw naturally over 30 to 60 minutes, preventing further damage to the system while you investigate the cause. Next, inspect your air filters. This is the easiest and most common fix for coil freezing. Check them monthly and replace if they appear dirty or clogged, as restricted airflow is a primary cause of ice buildup on the coil. Now, visually inspect the evaporator coil for any ice buildup. Look carefully at the fins for frost or ice accumulation, which indicates where the freezing has occurred. If you find dirt or debris on the coil, gently clean it using a soft brush or vacuum. Be very careful not to bend or damage the delicate aluminum fins, as this can permanently reduce efficiency. Finally, adjust your thermostat settings. Set the temperature to 78 degrees Fahrenheit or higher, and avoid running the system continuously at very low temperatures, which can overload the coil and cause freezing. Checking refrigerant levels requires a certified technician because improper handling can void warranties and harm the environment. If you suspect a refrigerant leak or airflow blockage that you can't resolve, it's time to call a professional. Many newer American standard models have automatic defrost features. A technician can check if yours is functioning correctly. Preventing coil freeze-ups is crucial for maintaining your American standard AC system. Start with regular air filter changes, which should be done every 1 to 3 months or more often in dusty environments. Next, clean your evaporator coils regularly. Use a soft brush or vacuum to gently remove dust and debris. Avoid sharp tools that could damage the delicate fins. Have refrigerant levels checked professionally. Low refrigerant is a major cause of coil freezing and requires certified technicians for safe handling. Inspect and maintain your drainage systems. Ensure drain lines are clear and the P-trap is functioning properly to prevent water backup and icing. Schedule regular professional maintenance twice a year. Technicians can perform comprehensive checks, including coil cleaning, refrigerant verification, and system optimization to keep your AC running efficiently. Modern American standard ACs integrate smart technologies for better control and freeze prevention. These systems connect with apps like Train XL for remote monitoring and adjustments. The Train XL app displays current temperatures, system status, and humidity levels. It allows users to adjust cooling settings remotely and monitor outdoor conditions. Smart ACs can automatically adjust fan speeds to maintain proper airflow and prevent coil icing. Future trends point towards AI-enhanced diagnostics that can predict and prevent freezing issues before they occur. These systems use machine learning to analyze data from sensors and automatically make adjustments. Additionally, newer models will feature eco-friendly refrigerants like R454B, which offer improved freeze resistance and environmental benefits. Real-world examples show how common coil freezing issues can be resolved in American standard AC systems. These case studies demonstrate the effectiveness of proper diagnosis and maintenance. In 2024, a 50-unit Florida condo complex with American Standard Platinum ZV systems faced widespread indoor coil freezing during a heat wave. The issue stemmed from clogged air filters and low refrigerant levels due to undetected leaks. A Texas homeowner in 2025 dealt with recurring coil freezes in their 2018 American Standard AccuLink system. The root cause was a faulty drain pan causing water overflow and icing. In 2023, a California office building with American Standard Gold Series units experienced coil freezing during peak summer usage. The solution involved upgrading to a variable speed blower for better airflow control. These real-world examples demonstrate that while coil freezing can be resolved through targeted fixes, the key lesson is the importance of routine maintenance and professional servicing to prevent such issues from occurring. HVAC experts emphasize that most coil freezes are preventable with proper airflow maintenance. User education and regular servicing are key to avoiding these issues. Statistics show that coil freezing accounts for 12% of AC repair calls, with proper maintenance boosting AC efficiency by 20 to 30%, saving homeowners $100 to $300 per year on average. Remember to consult your American Standard Owner's Manual for specific defrost cycle information and avoid DIY refrigerant handling.